Hi, I'm Mara Jenny from Jenny Science. Let's dive into the amazing Linux LXC, our smallest linear stage. Wait till you see what this little wonder can do. Expresses the perfect blend of compactness and power with stroke run from 40mm to 230mm and the exceptional presence of 1 micrometer. It's perfect for all your precise motion need. With its integrated measurement system and the linear motor is only 25mm high and 64mm wide. What's really cool is the unique modular construction which allows you to build XY tables or XZ pick and play system effortlessly. And guess what? Setting up with our Xenax Servo controller, it's a child's play. Just use your web browser and you're ready to go. Effortlessly integrated it with popular bus systems like Ethernet, IP, Ethernet CAT, Profinet and others. And check this out, our patented Forcent technology allows you to monitor limit the words with sensitivity down to 5 grams. Exciting, isn't it? Discover more about the Linux LXC Compact Linear Stage, jennyscience.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time, your Mara Jenny.